another hugely popular Anglo-Indian recipe called the railway mutton curry. So let me share a bit of history behind this railway mutton curry. This was actually served on the Indian railways during the British period to the first class passengers. So because this dish was served to suit the taste of the British passengers on the Indian railway, this is not a very spicy dish. It's moderately spicy. So we use coconut milk to tone down the spiciness towards the end. And today I'm going to show you my version of the railway mutton curry. So let's check out the recipe. So now I'm going to start by slicing some onions. I'm going to thinly slice them. Heating some oil in a pressure cooker. I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm just going to add 3 pieces of cinnamon, 3 pods of cardamom, around 6 cloves, half a teaspoon of whole peppercorns, 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, and some dried red chilies. These are about 3 dried red chilies. Next, I've got here 1 cup of sliced onions. Let the onions fry down nicely till it's golden brown. Now there are many different ways which you can make this railway mutton curry. One method is that you boil your mutton meat separately and then you prepare your masala gravy and then you put the meat into the gravy and simmer it and add your boiled potatoes. But I'm making a different way. What I'm doing is I'm cooking it into the pressure cooker, everything in one pot. So you can try out this method as well, or the other method where you boil the mutton meat separately and then the gravy separately. Now for this recipe I'm using half a kg of mutton. So accordingly I've added 1 cup of sliced onions for half a kg of mutton. So if you're using 1 kilo of mutton meat, then just double the amount of spices and the onions and the rest of the ingredients. That's it. So as you can see, the onions have browned well. Now after this we'll add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. So make sure you saute the ginger and garlic paste till the raw smell goes away. So that will take about 2 minutes. So once the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away, we'll add our masala powders, beginning with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And next I've got 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder doesn't give much of heat or spiciness to the curry, but it will give a good color. So that's why I'm adding Kashmiri red chili powder. Next I've got 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And next 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now make sure you turn down the heat before adding the spice powders. I forgot to mention that. Another thing is you can add a little bit of water to the spices so that you don't get it burnt. Now here I've got 1 cup of tomato puree. It goes in next. Using pureed tomatoes will give the gravy a little bit of thickness, but you can also use chopped tomatoes as well. It actually smells really nice here. The whole kitchen is aromatic. Now at this stage I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll saute all this together till the oil stands out. So So I've taken here half a kg of mutton meat with some bone as well, and I've washed it nicely with some turmeric. The oil is beginning to separate from the gravy. At this point, we'll add in our mutton meat. Give this a good mix, the mutton and the gravy together. Make sure all the pieces are coated with the masala. Now to this I'm going to add about 1 cup of water. So there will be water coming out from the mutton meat. So you have to be a little careful when adding water, not too much, just a little to cook the meat. Now we'll place the lid for the pressure cooker and put the whistle on. Now I put the weight of the cooker on, and now we'll pressure cook the mutton for about 5 to 6 whistles. That will be around 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your meat, the kind of meat you have. If you have a lot of bones and if your meat is much more tougher, then you'll need to cook it for 5 to 6 whistles. Otherwise, if you have much more tender meat, or if you're cooking lamb, then you'll only need about 4 to 5 whistles, that's it. Now I've pre-boiled some potatoes here. This is 2 large potatoes, quartered like this. You see, that's like big quarters. And it's pre-boiled potatoes.
Hi friends, வணக்கம் and welcome to Unique Creation. இன்னைக்கு எங்க வைஃப் ஏதோ குக் பண்றாங்க போல. வாங்க நம்ம கிச்சனுக்கு போலாம். சத்தம் போடாமங்க. Wow, wonderful smell. What you making, Steffi, today?
So this is railway mutton curry.
Whether in the railway they give the mutton curry or what?
This is my recipe actually.
That is your recipe, yeah?
Wait for it. Now after about 6 whistles, we'll see if the mutton is done. The mutton is cooked very well. It's nice and soft. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of tamarind water. You can substitute this with vinegar if you'd like, but I like the flavor of tamarind, so I'm using tamarind water. And now I'm going to add the boiled potatoes. Now let the boiled potatoes simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes in that gravy till the potatoes absorb all of those flavors. Potatoes have been boiling away. The final ingredient that we are going to add is our freshly extracted coconut milk. This is 1 cup. Just give that a gentle stir. Once you add the coconut milk in, don't let it bubble too long. It doesn't have to bubble in any case. And our delicious flavoursome railway mutton curry is now done.
Hi friends, என் வைஃப் வீடியோ முடிச்சிட்டாங்க போல. ரயில்வே மட்டன் கறி டேஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் யாருனாச்சும் என் சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண மறந்துட்டிங்கன்னா kindly please subscribe to my channel.
So this is our delicious Anglo-Indian railway mutton curry. Do try this at home. I'm sure you'll like it. And also do subscribe to Eeni's Creations if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hey Steffi, mutton, railway mutton curry. I need to taste it. How is it? I will try it. It's so awesome. Please try it your own. Please leave your comment. Bye bye from Eeni Creation.
Until next time, bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. So this is the Cut. Now I'll put the weight of the whistle on. Again I'm saying whistle.
என்ன சூப்பர் ஸ்மெல் அடிக்குது ஸ்டெஃபி. நீங்க என்ன பண்ற இன்னைக்கு?
Railway mutton curry.
ரயில்வே மட்டன் கறியா? அது எப்படி கிடைக்கும்? ரயில்வேல கொடுத்தாங்களா? ஏய்